Last year, I lugged sprinklers around to water the lawn, and I don't so much mind bringing the hoses back and forth. It's the constant adjustments that you have to make on a sprinkler like this. Now, I really like this sprinkler, but the adjusting part took too long. So this year I'm trying out something new. It's these Rainbird in-ground sprinklers with the click and go hose connect. This way, these sprinklers will be set into the ground. I'll adjust them one time, and then all I have to do when I want to water the lawn is bring the hose in and connect it into the ground. Installation is pretty easy with this thing. All you do is dig a small hole, place the sprinkler and backfill with dirt, and then you enjoy precise watering and green results. It works with your garden hose. You just click and go. You set it once, and then it retracts out of sight. You can mow right over the top. Now you can dig the hole with any shovel you have lying around the house, but I really love this Fiskars garden shovel. It's the perfect tool for this job, and I'll link to this below in the description in case you want to check it out. This shovel is also great for reestablishing the edges of your garden bed. Cymbal has a video on how he does this with this very shovel. I'll link to that below. Great technique. In the box, you basically get everything you need here. You've got the quick connect, the cover for the hole, the sprinkler head, it's an impact sprinkler head, and then the little spot where the connect goes into. So we'll put this together and then we'll find a spot in the lawn. So I'm just going to thread this right into here. We'll get it so that it's upright. And you want to hook this in through there before you install this here. And that's the trickiest part. Before we drop this thing to the ground, just a quick reminder. Most of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel yet. I've got a lot of cool projects planned, so feel free to hit that subscribe button and join us on the road to 1,000 subs. And also, if you've enjoyed the video or have helped you out at all, let me know by dropping a like on it. Now I need to find the right spot to install this, so I'm going to put this quick connect on the hose and then connect it to the sprinkler. Now that that's in there like that, I'm going to go turn the water on and we'll make some adjustments and move it around to see if I get good coverage. I'm going to adjust these little feet to change how far it sprays, or the direction that it sprays, rather. These things go about 40 feet depending on your water pressure. I'm getting pretty good coverage from this location. I think this might be where I put this. You know, I've been thinking about other uses for this thing. My wife's been watering her vegetable garden by hand for years. And what I might do is just set a plant pot right here and bury one of these sprinkler heads right in there. And then all she's got to do is hook it up and walk away. So always remember to call 811 before you dig. I'm going to put this right in here. Of course, I'm going to hit the biggest rock in my whole yard. Now you want this hole to be about 9 inches deep on the sprinkler side, and it's only about 6 inches deep on the other side. So you can see here I've created kind of like a little ledge. It's 9 inches deep on one side and 6 inches over here. Just going to set this right in here. Check to make sure that it's nice and flush with the ground level so that the mower can go right over the top. And I'm just going to backfill. I'm just going to chop some pieces of this sod up. ice cream truck. Hey, can I get one of the Big Bopper ice cream sandwich cookie things? Thank you. So now we just got to take the top off of here, and we'll click it in, make some final adjustments to the spray pattern. It's not too bad. You got to go just a little bit more this way. There's also a diffuser screw on the back of this impact sprinkler that you can shorten up the spray distance if you need to. You just turn the screw into the spray pattern. But for me, that looks pretty good. No, I didn't see anywhere in Rainbird's instructions anything about winterizing these things. I might get a little connector that I can hook right into this quick connect and just blow it out with a bike pump before winter, but I don't think it's really necessary. It seems to be pretty self-draining. I guess the one thing that's really missing about this setup is a timer. But I have one of these right here, and I think I'm gonna install that in line. And then all I'll have to do every time I wanna do this is just set it to go for as long as I want. Now that these sprinklers are in the ground and set up, I don't have to worry about adjusting these things and pulling everything all over the place. This is made really easy by my Sunny Day retractable hose reel. If you haven't seen my video on that, take a look at that right here.